Hi, I am Dr. Vaidiro, plastic surgeon from Dr. Vaidiro Clinics, Hyderabad and Vizag. Today I'll be introducing two ladies who are very interesting in the sense they came with some other purpose and then they got so much satisfaction and then they got few surgeries done by me and incidentally both of them are on the same day. So I thought I'll introduce both together. And one is Dr. Amina, who is a veterinary doctor, worked in India and abroad for quite some time, especially in Canada. I think she was there for quite some time. Later she came back for some reason, personal reasons, and got a few surgeries done, and then she herself will tell. And then named Shalini, and then she got her own stories to tell. So we'll just listen from their mouth directly. अमीना जी बोलिए, आपका क्या कुछ कैसे ऐसे कुछ बोलिए
सर। मेरा
देखिए आपका कोई नो प्रॉब्लम।
तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये था कि मुझे एक्सीडेंट के बाद थोड़ा
can you speak a little louder?
Yeah, my problem was after I had an accident, and after the accident I went to big hospital in Hyderabad, very famous hospital, very famous doctor, but he destroyed my nose. After that I was looking for some best doctor. I visited at least 10 doctors in Hyderabad. Finally one day I came to your clinic and I saw...
No, before that, madam. I think during the COVID time or immediately after the COVID time.
And after that, actually I wanted to go and get the facelift and other procedures done. To some other doctor, Dr. Richardson. He gives too much advertise on internet, but all those pictures are most of the pictures, and most of the time the pictures are edited pictures. I saw the pictures and had been to him. He destroyed the face as much as he can. But after that, coming to Hyderabad,
I think you got the both rhinoplasty and facelift by him at that time.
Yes.
Around 3 years back, approximately, if I am right.
In 2022.
22. Yeah, this is 2 years back.
2 years back.
So what happened after that one?
After that, he put the rib cartilage in the nose, and it was like a swollen. It was like swollen. I waited for 3 months, but my nose was like a pakoda. Then I went to Apollo Hospital, and that doctor, he removed everything and he made the nose like monkey nose. Then I checked in at least 10 doctors in Hyderabad. Finally I came to your clinic, sir.
I think you approached me somewhere in February ending.
First week.
February.
First week. And then when I approached to you and talked to you, and I thought like your experience told me what you can do. You did not tell much about yourself, but I understood what you are telling and how you are doing. I saw the other pictures, because in other hospitals, if you go there, they show you the foreigners' pictures, the white ladies' pictures. White ladies are not coming to India.
Yes.
So I trusted
I think
you.
I showed you the previous, which I operated, totally operated by me.
Operated by you. They are showing some other pictures, and all those pictures are, most of them are edited pictures. So I saw your pictures, I saw your work, and I showed you out of your work what I want. And thank God I picked the right doctor. Once you did my rhinoplasty and gave me a good shape of nose, then I decided to go for facelift.
So at this time I'll tell you what has happened, because after the surgery, what happened is her nose got collapsed and she is having an extreme breathing problem. In fact, whenever she is opening the door and then she is coming with breathlessness, I can say obstruction of the nose, and then that is one of the main complaints. She got it done, and for that I did rhinoplasty. In fact, she is so strong. I did 4 surgeries for her under local anesthesia, all the 4 surgeries, including rhinoplasty. This time I didn't take from the rib, but what I have taken is I have taken from the septal cartilage, luckily our septal cartilage was there, and then from the ear cartilages, all I used the spreader grafts, and then opened up the airways and gave a good projection. I took the temporalis flap also, superficial temporal fascia, and then I did, and then this is the nose after 3. This is on March 9th. When was that? March 9th. March 9th I did the surgery, first surgery, rhinoplasty, and now today is May 8th. So exactly 2 months after the surgery. And I think she's relieved of the breathing problem at the same time, and then got the
biggest problem.
That was the biggest problem actually.
I was
more than the
bleeding
collapse.
from mouth and getting infection.
Yeah, and then now the nose also looks good. And she was so happy in the first 1 week. Within 10 to 15 days after that, when she got the facelift done. Bilateral facelift, deep plane facelift I have done. Bilateral deep plane facelift. Luckily, by God's grace, all the nerves are intact except for one small wound, that also is recovering in the recovery phase. So she is recovering. After seeing the improvements in the facelift, she got her brows also, eyebrow lift, bilateral eyebrow, subcutaneous gliding eyebrow lift I have done in about another 10 days. And then she is again happy, and then got her arms brachioplasty done under local anesthesia. She is such a strong lady. I haven't seen any lady like her in my life till now. 4 surgeries in 2 months, less than 2 months.
1.5 months, this is 15 days ago.
So 15 days ago. So in 1.5 months, she got 4 surgeries done, major surgeries.
4
which is not
successful surgeries.
So which is not
so good, sir.
Which is not a joke. Not a joke. So, and then there is her story. Pass it. Oh, this is that now, you can see. And then she feels at home whenever she comes here, and then she likes to spend some time. Though there is no reason, also she comes now and then sits here for some time.
I sit here for some time. I talk to other patients who got successful surgeries over here. And
incidentally, she also was there, and then both are for reviews. She came after for some purpose. So I thought we'll take introduce both ladies.
Yeah.
We
are allowed to take another patient's numbers, no restriction.
Yeah.
We can talk to other patients, talk to each other, our experiences, and doctor and the staff is very nice,
and caring.
very friendly.
Shalini, you can tell in Telugu
Very
also.
friendly, very close.
Actually, actually, I used to have sagged breast and pigmentation marks and old scars. I visited many number of consultations.
So first you got some breast surgery.
5 years back.
5 years back.
It's a mastopexy.
Mastopexy was done 5 years back. That is, breast lift was done 5 years back.
But that was a disaster. I left it with horrible scars and pigmentation, and there is no uplift actually. It was like saggy even though after surgery. And after 5 years, I visited many number of consultations in Hyderabad, so-called, but they didn't help me out. They suggested me wrongly that to have 350cc, 300cc implants, which would be a more disaster for my breast. But after consulting Dr. Vaidirav sir, I felt really very happy and safe. He gave an advice within few minutes, which is useful for one's beautiful breast actually. And after my surgery, results were best, excellent. After seeing myself in mirror, I feel really happy, and thanks doctor for this wonderful breast. And my breasts were looking like 20s teenager girls, breast firmer and beautiful. The doctor is really a special person and excellent doctor for me. And we can't find like this genuine doctor in this era. I'm very, very happy to visit you.
So I'll tell what I have done. So she approached me about 8 months back. So what I have done, she came with a significant sagging of the breast, bottoming out we call it. That means the nipples are looking at the ceiling, and then breast is sagging downwards like this, called bottoming out. So in such a bottoming out patients, if somebody tries, and then she came only for one purpose. I want to increase the breast size. I want a good breast size. So everyone was under the impression, she consulted quite a few consultants, but some are reputed also. But unfortunately, she got a wrong advice. I felt. So what she got is all of them told, I believe, breast implants with the size of 300, 350, something like that. So what would have happened with if somebody implants a 300 cc breast implant, that bottoming out will increase further. Literally, the nipples which are looking at the ceiling, literally point out towards the head, and the breast will slap down because of the heavy weight. As such, the breast is reasonably sized, and with the increased added weight, they sag some more. So it will be a disaster. It would have been a disaster. So the moment I saw her, I suggested you just need a breast lift, not the size increase. Even after a breast lift, if the size doesn't increase, then probably fat grafting or some other things would be there. Or in the next sitting, I can give some breast implant. So she agreed for it, and then I did just simple breast lift, mastopexy, proper mastopexy with the pectoral anchoring to the pectoral fascia also. So that gives a longevity to the breast lift, so that it doesn't sag immediately. So that's why she's happy. And then for the past 8 months, she must have come so many times to her, so many times I can say.
I'm very happy.
And then she came for some other surgery now.
Yes, because results were very beautiful, and I have a lot of confidence that I look more beautiful until my 60s. Until my 60s, I can enjoy myself. And my words cannot express the amount of gratitude I have on Dr. Vaidurao sir. Really, God has helped me to visit here. I'm very lucky and fortunate enough.
But though we do hundreds of surgeries, in every patient we cannot give 100% of the result in 100% of the patients. Yes, we are also human beings.
No, sir. This is your greatness. You are
golden hands, actually.
Yes.
They are not
this
hands.
This is your greatness.
Hands.
You are telling that, but we have been to several doctors, and they say so many things, but they are unable to do that.
Yes.
You did the best surgery,
job, really.
And we are happy. We are thankful to God that we came to the right place.
And right hands.
Right place, right hands. And we are not going to leave you.
Yes, myself too. Even in my 50s, 60s, I will come here.
I am here in my 65.
Really, I am happy to meet you, actually.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks, Amma. Thanks. I'm sorry, Dr. Meena. Just I thought it's only the incidentally because both.
Happy moment, sir.
Yeah, both of them. There are two patients which I cannot forget in my life. So both are there. That will take interview of both of them
so
together.
When a patient feels comfortable and successful,
then
only they come for another surgery.
Yes.
That encourages them to get another proper surgery.
Exactly.
So you got nearly 4 surgeries, and she will be ready for another surgery soon.
Myself.
Yes.
And she is already ready for another surgery. Okay.
And he says I got 4 in 2 months.
Really. And we are looking really very beautiful.
Yes.
Before
yes.
and after.
I had no nose, and it was so much problem
Nose
for
is
me
very
breathing.
sharp, actually.
I have very severe breathing problem.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was breathing from mouth, and he damaged my nose so much. The Richardson and this guy. That guy made the nose like pakoda for 3 months, and this guy completely cleaned it. But here, I am very satisfied with your help, sir.
Really.
Thank
I am
God.
also.
Just
It's a
did
God's help
my
to us.
job, man.
It's a great help of the God for us.
Great help, sir.
We got you, and we will keep continue coming in future.
Yes.
We don't want to look old.
Yes.
You are good.
And we have to live 110 years.
With a healthy life.
Healthy life.
Healthy, happy.
And we should help like us, other patients.
Several others like us.
Yes.
I'll try my best.
We pray for you for the not only life long but happy, healthy, long life.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
మీ హ్యాపీనెస్ వల్లనే నేను మంచిగా తిన్నది నాది వంట పట్టింది సార్ ఫుడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ అందుకే నేను కొంచెం హెల్దీగా ఉన్నాను
Sorry.
ఇంకా సెకండ్ టైం నేను ఇట్లా రెడీగా హ్యాపీగా వచ్చాను మా సార్ ఇంకా మంచిగా నాకు అంటే ఏంటి పైన ఇంకా మంచిగా
20 years younger.
No, she was very unhappy, madam, when she
I
came.
understand.
I was depressed. So
Very
I was
depressed.
very neat and skinny, you know.
And she was very depressed and then literally crying.
Beautiful 20 years girl.
At that time. Now after that, I have seen her face glow.
just because of Dr. Golden Hands. I'm here, happy.
This is my job.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much, sir.